highly allergic to my two adorable cats. I would break out in hives, my eyes would water, I was constantly sneezing, I couldn't be around them, I couldn't sleep at night. Absolutely horrible. I was thinking about getting rid of them. It was getting to a point where it's impacting my life.
So then you decided to try our allergy drop.
I did. I had great reviews, so I decided to give it a try. About a year into it, I noticed a huge difference. I no longer have to take any Benadryl, and now my allergies are, just for the most part, completely gone.
Wow, that's exciting. And we've had that experience with a lot of patients, and again, people who own pets and people who couldn't even visit a friend or a family member.
Yeah.
It's been such a difference in so many people.
Yeah, I own them. They sleep in bed with me. The little one sleeps around my head, and I don't sneeze. I don't nothing. It's absolutely incredible. I highly recommend it. Do it. It'll change your life.